All right, so we DST is all right. Bonus trading here. So we accurately took out the low of the session. See, this is what happens. A lot of times, traders will have stop losses under the low of the day, and then when we hit the low of the day, we'll go down a lot. And like I talked about, I didn't think it was time to necessarily start buying. So we took on American, we took off American. I mean, Melco, I'd go 20 bid. If they hit 20, I'd be happy to buy these for 20. So I'm looking for stuff for a discount, guys. I'm still bullish, but I want to be bullish way lower than to here. So I am still bullish, but I want to be bullish lower than here. ICLN getting crushed. They about 10,000 May calls. Screen should be good here. Oops, the wrong one. I was on the wrong screen. All right, there we go. Futures down 67.67. American, 15 bid. American calls are 22.23, so not filled in that. GM calls are 37.40. I'm going to lower these again to 32 now. So GM, I'm lowering again, guys. I'm going to try to get them for 50% discount of where they hit Option Hacker. So I don't chase stuff, guys. I don't chase things. Let them come to you. Come to me. Uber. I would love to get a structured node in Uber. Uber, 64 down to 44. Mosaic getting crushed. How's X? X unchanged. Freeport down. Blink lower. So down to 140. TSM puts being bought. Remember they were talking about the TSM for 122s. Option Hacker flagged that TSM 122s, those doubled in value. Look where they're going now. To 0. Johnson Controls a longer dated position, June 67 and a halfs. I'm buck bid on those. So looking to buy some stuff from Option Hacker, guys, a little bit cheaper. Looking to buy stuff from Option Hacker a little bit cheaper. Nothing wrong with that. Nokia trading here. One day trade, one loser. The 14s. In at 12. We'll be out at probably around 9. PLTR puts being bought here into earnings. Titan, I'm looking to try to buy some June calls cheaper. GOTU trading here, nothing doing that one. Futures down 70. Rough. Out of Melco, out of American for now. Melco down to 35.40. Hello again. Still in muds. That's my one long positions down to $1.60. Still in Lux along. It's pretty much unchanged. Futures, how much lower can they go? We can have a flash crash. We go down 100 points. Why? Just for no reason. There's no buyers left. We can't go up forever, guys. Can't go up forever. So now we're down 125 points from the highs, which is about 3%. Good. Great. ALK, I'm looking for some calls at 45. So ALK, I'm 45 bid here, guys. So this would be a reverse scan. FTC, FT, what is this? FTCV. FinTech. See some calls being bought here. They bought the 10s for 90 cents. Wow. Nice buy. Stock just popped here. I actually still have ON puts on. Oh, they're up to 90 cents. Do I have profit targets out? 120 and 160. So I still have some ON May 35 puts. ON May 35 puts I still have on. ON May 35 puts I still have on. Cree getting smoked. Puts being bought. VIX up 4 points. Cree. Netflix down in the day now. Riot trading here. Where's Riot? My good friend Riot. 79 to 27 bucks. There has to be funds blowing out. I don't know. 79 to $20. IQ 28 to 13. There's not funds blowing out. I don't know. KAR is actually holding up here in car auction services. So KAR actually holding up decent here. JD down in the day. GM calls. I am 33-bit in GM calls. They're 38.40. Signal hit at 64. They traded up to 71. GM, these are the May 28th 60 calls. I'm 33 bid. That would be a reverse scan. I have a new portfolio I've been tracking. I need to update the covered call situation, but these are actually, let's go to portfolio. So this is a new portfolio here, and today is 5/11. So scan pops down 26%, day trades up 26, earnings down. These are all gonna go. These are over, I think. Reverse scan has been the best, so I'm trying to take a reverse scan at a lot of names here. Buying stuff at a discount. Overnight trades. Where's Sohu? Sohu calls are about 70 cents. Yeah, that's about right. And then covered calls. I need to update the covered calls. I haven't been. Yeah, May 28th 60s. At 33, I'm trying to get in. They're 38.40. Plug calls being bought. High risk, high reward, and plug. Plug up on the day. This week, 21s and plug. Trading 110. So it's an idea, guys. High risk, high reward. Buy PLUG 514, 2021. 21 calls for 110. Targets 160 and 220. Stop loss is 55 cents. So stop loss here is 55. If you want to take these, you could. 48-hour spike in Blink and in Plug. 48-hour spike in Blink and in Plug. The Real getting a bid. Wow, look at the Real go, guys. These hit option accurate 50. Up to 70 here. I was going to do a buy right on these. Yext up on the day. 30.45. GameStop getting destroyed. I have a bet 100 for dinner. 100 before 350. 100 before 350. LUMN trading here. That was a good signal that hit option hacker. Fisker up in the day. Fisker up in the day. Futures down 68. 70. Nordstrom. Urban. Got out of the Urban calls. That was a great signal. Malco we took off for 40. Rebuy those at 30. I mean, sorry, at 20. So I've been less long than I have in a while. I've been talking about a possible correction for a while. 10%, nothing crazy. Actually, not a correction, just maybe just a sell-off. I mean, I'm not like bearish. I just think that, the market never goes up for everything. More AAL calls trading here. And I like when the market goes down. Gives you opportunity to get in cheaper. Let's go look at the futures here on a daily chart. We did not even hit 70 as an RSI. But Tesla down to 606. I would think Tesla would move more with Bitcoin, which it has not. I would think Tesla would move more with Bitcoin, which it has not, actually. Yeah, I mean, I have a pretty big position in MUDs. I'm down 3,800 a day, so I'm up, still up 6,200 total. I'm just long stock. Went from 10. I'm in at 1088, so it's okay. Crush this market. Give me things cheaper. GM 36.38, 33 bid. Malco we took off for break even, 40 cents. AAL we took off for break even, they're down to 24. Just thought it's too early in the day to rally. Usually we rally towards the end of the day. We usually don't rally intraday and then stay higher the whole time. NRG lower. I buy rights onto those. Blink coming back a little bit. A little bit. Let's go to NEO. NEO, we saw some calls being bought. Sorry, not NEO, Plug. Plug. The real guys just hit profit target at 50%, guys. GM has not hit that 50% downside. So the real profit target hit one hit, guys. The real guys profit target one hit. REAL profit target one hit in the real. Profit target getting hit in the real. GM 33 bid, not filled. GM 33 bid, not filled. Signal hit at 66, down to 37. The real hit target one, guys. The real hit target one. Pfizer trading here. Pfizer came out and said they were doing emergency. Oh, I have vaccine number 2 tomorrow. They were doing emergency ones. Surprised the VIX isn't up more today. Oxy June 30s trading here 42 cents. Post earnings. TITN June 30s. I'm trying to get into these. Am I 30 bid or what's my bid? TITN. Where's my TITN bid? I don't have a bid in. I'll be 25 bid. Fitch 2022 60s trading here. Fitch ALK I'm 45 bid. Oh, they're 55.60. So I have bids in under the markets, guys. In GM, AAL, ALK, Yext. Plan made money. Nice. Anaplan. Anaplan. Five-minute bars, we had no signals today. Everything was under the cloud. PLTR has earnings. They're talking about a short position on CNBC for PLTR. PLTR up in the day. Puts being bought. See how the stock has performed on earnings. 10 minutes ago, guys. PLTRs had 2 earnings, down 12%, up 8. IQ, the 14s. I don't know. I'm going to take them off actually at 9. Can I get 10 for them? That did hit as a day trade. So IQ, I'm going to take off for a 3-cent loser. Can I get out of 10? 9, 10. IQ's ATR is $1.04. That's insane. RKT 18.5, 52 we look low in RKT. So I'm going to take off IQ here at 9. So I'm taking off a day trade for a loser, guys. Another day trade, another loser. So day trade, taking it off for a loser here in IQ, guys. Taking it off for a loser here in IQ. Back to break even on all my day trades, and the day trades were working out the best out of anything. So IQ taking it off for a loser. That's going to be like a 30% loser. 514, 2021, 14 calls. The entry was 12. And I think that everybody should have this. So I'm up 1% on all day trades. I think everybody should have a portfolio where they track what makes money and what loses money. So you guys know what's doing well for you and what's not doing well for you. I keep track of this. Scan pops is usually option hacker ideas. Day trades we're doing really well, but we've had 3 straight losers, and that's how it's going to be. Earnings has not been so good. Reverse scan's been the best. 40 overnight trades have been really good. And cover calls, I think, have been good. I just need to update this. Like AR. AR is 60 cents and 11.20. Wow. So this would be equals the sum of this minus 0.3 divided by this. 17% in that one. This one's over. DT, I actually took this one off, so we can remove this one. ET 8.5. So the E's are ET 521 8.5. $1 and 9.46. Minus. No. I'm up $1.34. And I'm down 82. What about this? 6%. HLIT. 10 cents at 7.05. Wow, that's good. Oh, 7.05 and 10 cents. No, 15 cents. I'll update these later, but covered calls, something I've kind of been keeping an eye on. This I made money. Jumanji, I know I made money on. I made 3% of Jumanji. I'll update that later. Plug starting to get a bid. We saw some calls in Plug. We saw some calls in Blink. American down to 27. Yeah, 41.3. American 27 now. So if you want to get out of American, you get out of 27. Sohu up on the day. Fisker up on the day. Wow, Fisker up on the day. Weekly 13s are 1 penny, or are they 3 pennies? Melco we took off. American we took off. Still looking for ALK calls. Not filled in these yet. Valet we've taken off a long time ago. PBR we've taken off a long time ago. PBR we took off too early. So here's our portfolio. We took off American today for 1 penny loser. Technically American's a loser, 1 penny. I haven't looked at REI in a while. SEP 5s, 510. IQ is going to go to 0. So here's the lately our trades have been not so good. Yak's actually up a little bit now. Yak's back up to 40. These are down to 3. So American's over now. Technically lost a penny on that. The real. May call 75.90 now. 5 minutes ago, guys. 5 minutes ago. Noodles, June 25. I would not be buying these. Too far out of the money for me in Noodles. Oh, this is Nautilus. Too far out of the money here. Party we took off yesterday for break even. So Party we took off yesterday. Just taking stuff a little bit earlier than normal, guys. Those are down to 30-40. July 12s in Party City. Took off yesterday. BLNK getting a bid. Up money on that 48-hour spike. Real 100% profit. Nice trading. Thank you, Option Hacker. In Option Hacker, I trust. In the Option Hacker, I trust. Plug bid. That hit 48-hour spike. The 21's up to 130. Blink calls moving up here. And those at 178, up $43 in that one. 2 minutes to go, guys. 2 minutes to go. Netflix up in the day. Amazon up in the day. I was going to do buy rights in real and I missed it. I'm going to stock at 15 and sell them for 75. I've been a huge winner. Yeah, I got that. Thank you. I put that in my mental block. Let's say ATR of TITN. Let's look at this. Titan Machinery. Overlapping bars. Yak's up 28 cents. 35.45. All sectors lower. The Dow's down 538 points. Project 303 is after us, guys. If you remember Project 303. Down about 2.5% in the last couple days. IQ. 14's up to 11 now. Fisker 9 puts trading here. Fisker 9 puts. Fisker 9 puts. All right, guys, that's it for me. To have to drop into product 303. Everybody have a good day. Thanks. I'll see you.